There are two macro recording modes in Excel: absolute references and relative references. Let's see an example. Press record macro and type hello and hello again. Press stop recording, and now we are going to do really the same thing, but we are going to use relative references. So let's delete it first. Select use relative references and record macro. Select A1 and type hello. Enter. Hello again. Enter. Stop recording. Select Visual Basic. And now you can see the difference. The first row uses absolute references, and the second one uses relative references. Let's delete it and let's run it. Let's select E10, for example. Select macros, select first macro, press run. Here we've got hello in A1 and hello again in A2 cell. F10 again. Press macros and run second macro. And now it uses relative references.